What is SAP ERP? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a software used by organizations to automate, integrate, and optimize their business processes. So we are organizing a free SAP new user training. You can join this training, but please note, this training is not for everyone. It's only for those who want to stand out in their career and earn more. It's for proactive professionals who want to be ahead. Organizations are increasingly demanding for the skill, and we only want those who want to stay ahead of the current digital transformation change to join this free training. In this training, you will get more insight on SAP ERP. You will learn SAP ERP system landscape. You will learn more about the SAP ERP business processes. You will learn the SAP system-wide concept. You will learn practical system navigation of the SAP ERP. You will also learn the career guide, which SAP ERP training is suitable for you, and many more. Now, this is free. It's free. So click the link around this video to take the SAP ERP new user training now.